If you're craving the crispiest homemade chicken, you're in the right place. Start with fresh boneless chicken breast and slice it into thick strips. Transfer the chicken into a bowl. Season with salt, black pepper, garlic powder, paprika, and onion powder. Crack in 1 egg and pour in a little milk. Mix everything together until every piece is fully coated. In a separate bowl, combine all-purpose flour, cornstarch, baking powder, salt, black pepper, paprika, and garlic powder. Whisk the dry ingredients until well combined. Coat each marinated chicken strip in the seasoned flour. Press the flour firmly onto the chicken to create that extra crispy coating. Place the coated chicken onto a tray while you heat the oil. Once the oil is hot, carefully lower the chicken into the pan using tongs. Fry until the coating turns beautifully golden and crispy, flipping each piece halfway through for even cooking. Remove the chicken and place it on a wire rack to drain the excess oil. Finish with a sprinkle of freshly chopped parsley. Now look at that. Perfectly crispy on the outside, incredibly juicy on the inside. This is homemade extra crispy chicken that's crunchy, flavorful, and absolutely irresistible. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next Kitchen Secrets recipe.